Damn! Oh my god, look at how high he is! And welcome back to the channel. And from Mimini Anime, about to jump into not the newest anime, but one of the new animes of the season, Windbreaker. Now, full disclosure, A and I actually did already react to the first episode. However, the recording got messed up, so it didn't record. So I'll watch the first episode and then he'll join me for the following episodes. But you know, just a quick intro to it if you've never heard of it or if you're interested in it. So it is about like high school delinquents, similar to like Tokyo Revengers, but we have Haruka Sakura, who's like super into fighting, and he wants to like go to the top, like rise the ranks, go to the top. He doesn't want to deal with any weaklings, so he goes to this high school, Furin High School, which is like well known for degenerate high schoolers, all about fighting and brawling and all this stuff. And Sakura wants nothing to do with like the team. He just wants to fight, like individual fights, and then make his way to the top. And that's essentially Windbreaker. Obviously, there's going to be more like twists and then like deeper messages, meanings within the anime, but that's basically how it is. I did wait like another month or so before I'm rewatching it. That way it can be more fresh, but I am excited to watch it. From what I remember, it was a really good first episode. So yeah, before we jump in, all I ask is that you leave a like, you comment down below, let me know your thoughts on the anime, make certain predictions. You don't have to do it for this first episode, but for the following episodes, make predictions. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. It'd really mean a lot. And let's get into this episode. Walking a tightrope. Gust of wind. You're dead. Yo, this is reminiscent of Naruto and the village, where the whole village is talking schmack about Naruto. That's what this is like. My boy got the nine tails inside of him. Have any of you slept on like those Japanese beds like that on the floor? Are they comfortable? Or is it hard to sleep? Dang, you pervert. Baddie alert. Yo, so these are high schoolers, huh? Hitting on... Is she in high school too? You have a stupid look. Dang! Look, he's in the... His butt is in the air. Hmm. Food in Coco. Sakura Haruka. Oi! He's gonna be blushing. He's never felt the touch of a woman. You still saved her, dumbass. I am. I want to go to food in high school. She's used to it. She's used to people getting their booty kicked. Uma! He can't Uber Eats it. Oh no. Yo, I want some of that. That looks so good. So those are like genetic. His hair and his eyes. That's natural. Naturally occurring. Screens. So this kid has always had anger issues because he's been getting in fights like his whole life, right? Hey, hey. Let me help you. Oh, it's food. Oh, candy. Urse! Dang. Immediately accused of theft. He's just not used to being trusted. That's all it is. That's what it is. She's so bad. Hmm. You're alone. No, I don't memorize the dialogue. That was just obvious. She's saying you need people to reach the top. You still need support. Still need support in order to get to where you're going. To get to the top. Those poor people! Yo, that kind of sounded like Trigun. Kick him in the testicles. That's not contacts, right? That's his real hair. Yeah, okay. That's his real. Why? Why? You're alone. Bam! Hmm. He even views himself as like disgusting, I bet, sometimes, you know? Like, why is he so different? Look so different? Damn, look at this fight sequence, yo! I forgot how good it is. Damn! Woo! Back punch. That's a cool point of view. Bam, bam. Oh. Boom. Ooh. That was a kidney shot. He's about to get overwhelmed, though. Oh. Oh! Parkour! Oh, nice kick. Oh, he's dead. There you go. They're all going after him. Okay, maybe not. That's the first dude that got punched in the face. Oh! Hoorin. Ow, dang. Oh. What this means. Okay. Okay. There's no way. There's no way. Yo, that kid kind of looks like from Heavenly Delusion. Kind of looks like one of them from Heavenly Delusion, the anime. Oh, agile. Dang. You're dead. Woo. That dude got sharp teeth. Like Denji does from Chainsaw Man. The village, the town's backing him up. 2 years ago. Hmm. Will get their asses kicked. Holds evil in their heart. So they're not delinquents at all. The guardians of the neighborhood. Bofurin, the windbreaker. Hmm. Hmm. He doesn't like that. He wants to be a delinquent. He wants to be a thug. Dude's not used to this. He's having a psychotic break. People are being nice to me. I don't know what to do. Hmm. Calling him out. Hmm. Soundtrack is good. The top. him. Oh my god, look at how high he is. Dun, dun, dun. Sakura arrives at Furin. Jeez, don't pause it. All right, I forgot. That was a great first episode. It was a great first episode. Soundtrack is epic already. So soundtrack's real good. So if you haven't heard the soundtrack, I suggest you go back and listen to it on your own, because I won't be able to show it during the video. But yeah, the fight sequences are good. I remember we watched this alongside Kaiju and then Go Go Loser Ranger. And we watched those two first, and they were both good. Animation was good, fight scenes were good, but the fight scene is like, it's better. You know, it's better, it's crisp, it's clear, like you get to see all the moves, different points of view, like it's real good. So I'm excited to see how this anime continues to pan out and progress, and see his development, Sakura's development, and how he adjusts to Furin High School, and the shift in their mentality now that they're the windbreaker versus, you know, sort of delinquents and thugs. It'll be interesting. So I'm excited. If you are too, please make sure that you let me know by leaving a like, comment down below your thoughts. Please let me know your thoughts. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.